Think designing a t-shirt that sells is hard? Watch me find 11 winning ideas in under 10 minutes. These designs are already making serious sales. I'll show you how to spot the best sellers and remix them into something more unique. Here's the best part. You don't need fancy design skills, just a free tool like Canva. And stick around to the end because I'll share a free t-shirt template to help get you started. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Shannon and I share side hustles, tutorials, and passive income strategies. If that sounds like your thing, hit the subscribe button. First, you head over to Amazon. When I search, I like to use things like graphic t-shirt, graphic tee, funny t-shirt. Otherwise, I go to the bestseller list or I use whatever holiday or topic I'm trying to target. So for today, I'll use the holidays that should be trending: St. Patrick's Day, Pi Day, and Easter. So let's set our timer and get started. We'll start off with St. Patrick's Day. And as you can see, there were multiple options here. You'll start scrolling down and you'll see a bunch of sponsored products straight away. We're going to try to skip over those because those are all products that are being advertised, and we want to go with products that can get organic sales. They might have been advertised in the past, but they're not being advertised right now. So straight away, I see 3 here: the flag, the clovers, and the world's tallest leprechaun, which are all great. Let's get a look at the rankings: 432, 419, and 649. These are great, and as you can see, they're selling pretty well. We'll keep going down, but we'll count those as 3. Continue on our search. I like this Magically Delicious one, and I think you can do a lot of variations with that. So I'm going to count it as 4, even though it's sponsored. I think you can really switch it up. You can add a rainbow with a pot of gold, a leprechaun. You can add a lot of things to that one. So we'll say that is 4, and then we'll keep going down. Oh, you know what? I want to go back up and see exactly how many sales were made with those top first 3. Okay, so we have okay, so for the 419 we have 7160 per month. For the 649 we have 4622, and the 432 we have 6944 sales, total sales, and then per the month 2000. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Let's see what else we can find. We're on 4. I like that Magically Delicious one, so we're going to keep that one. And yeah, so here's another variation of the Magically Delicious, and I like this. You can add wine, you can make it for kids. Then, so let's say 5, and I do like the Still Italian. I think you can actually put the Irish flag. You can make a variation. You can say Still Italian, but party like I'm Irish. You can do some variations there. And let's keep going down. So let's say 6. Sorry. This one here is funny. I think if you go onto ChatGPT and you ask it to give you a list of funny sayings that mean you're sloshed, then you could just get some of the letters and switch them around. And I think that would be pretty funny, definitely original. So I'm going to say that's number 6. And let's see, is that 6 or 7? Okay, let's go back here. And now we'll start looking for Pi Day. So during Pi Day, see what pops up. We have about 2,000 searches on Pi Day shirt. But then when you enter Pi Day, you can see some of the niches under below: teacher, kids, women, decorations, stickers, gifts, and another t-shirt. So we're just going to go with this t-shirt. Again, 2,000 searches. Straight away, I like this one over to the side, but it's sponsored. I'm going to keep going down, try to get past all the sponsored one. I like the teacher's idea. I think Pi Day t-shirts, it's a little low, but I'm going to count it as number 7. And I like this one here, Pi Day menu with different types of pie fruit. I like that. That's going to be number 8. Oh, it's selling really well. Yeah, I think that's really cute. And I think you can just add different types of food in there: cherry, apple, banana. I like the well-rounded one, but it's a little low for me. So with 8, let's keep looking. Another Pi Day t-shirt one. I like that one as well. It's still under 300,000, so I would say that's a good one. You know what? I think we miscounted before. I think we're now on 8. So this is going to be my number 8. I think this is cute. There's probably a ton of people that have a birthday on Pi Day. I don't necessarily think this is the best design. I think you can really improve upon this one. I think you can make it text only. I think you can make it a minimal design. You can do, this is my pie birthday shirt, and then you can add just 1 or 2 little pie symbols. I don't think you need that one in the middle. I think you can do like a little pie equation with like a birthday hat or something like that. So we'll say this is number 8, and we'll go on to find some Easter shirts. So let's go. So we'll just type in Easter. You can see women, boys, men, girls, and 30,000 search results. And I like to stay away from the sponsored. I like to stay away from anything that can infringe on a trademark. So we'll just go through the first few rows. I'm here for chocolate eggs. I like the different candies here. Peeps. It's pretty cute, but it's pretty low. So we'll keep going. Chilling with my Peeps is cute. And that one here doesn't infringe because it's not the logo for Peeps. So unless they trademark the word Peep, which might be kind of hard to do, then that one's pretty safe. But I always err on the side of caution when it comes to my Merch by Amazon account or legalities. So chilling with my Peeps, that's cute. Little Easter bunnies. And what else do we have here? So chilling with my Peeps, we'll say that's 9. 2 more. Oh, you know what? This little bunny here in the pocket, that's cute. You can actually do that for a leprechaun too. You can easily change that one up. You could put a little hat on the bunny. You can have the bunny eating a carrot. You can make it for little boys, little girls, parents. I like that one a lot. So I'm going to say that's number 10. And then let's continue on our search. I like the little cats, the bunny ears as well. And let's see. Okay. So number 11, I think we're on 11. But number 11, I think, is going to be this little bunny gamer. I think it's under 300,000, selling for $19.99. And I think this can be improved upon. And I think it's niche enough that it would have a nice demand for selling. Okay, we're working our way through and we found a bunch of winning designs in record time. Now it's your turn. Which design are you excited to try? Drop it in the comments. If you want to start designing right away, grab my free t-shirt design template using that link. And if you need a step-by-step tutorial, watch my full free t-shirt design course on Canva up there. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more side hustle strategies. See you in the next video.